Hey Mac friends, it's Dana here from MacMedics again. Just another warning on why you should always back up your data. This iMac just came in for service. You can see it's heavily damaged. You can see that the foot is bent and the computer itself has a pretty bad bend to it. Luckily, this customer has AppleCare, so this is going to be a $300 deductible, and we'll probably end up replacing almost every part inside the machine. The killer thing is, no one is ever expecting their quote-unquote iMac to be dropped repeatedly, which is what the customer told me. I'm assuming that somebody got mad at this, or mad at the person who owns the computer. I mean, this computer's absolutely obliterated. You're never expecting your machine to go through something like this. So that's why it's so important to back up your data with Time Machine. And who knows, the Time Machine could have been damaged in this incident as well. But that's why you also need to back up with a cloud backup like Backblaze. If you need help getting started with Time Machine or Backblaze, I'm your guy. Stop by the shop, and it's a free service that we offer to the community.